Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a super handy feature of Asana, how to create recurring tasks. This is a game changer for those routine tasks you need to keep track of, so let's get started. First off, create a new task in your Asana project. Click on the Add Task button, then type in the task name and assign it to a team member. This is important because it keeps everyone in the loop and ensures accountability. Next up, click on the task due date. You'll see a calendar pop up. There's a small link underneath that says Set to Repeat. This is where the magic happens. Click on it. The reason we do this is to tell Asana to automatically regenerate this task based on a schedule that we're about to set. Now that we've done that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here you can choose how often your task repeats: daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. You can even customize it to every few days, every other week, and so on. This helps us because it means Asana will automatically create this task for us at the selected intervals, saving us from having to remember to create it manually. Once you've selected your recurrence, don't forget to hit the Done button. This will save your recurrence setting. Let me explain why this matters. If you don't hit Done, Asana won't save your changes, and your task won't repeat as you intended. So you've set your task to repeat. Now what? Well, when the task is marked as completed, Asana will automatically create a new task with the same details and a new due date based on the recurrence you set. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is basically cloning the task for you, so you don't have to. In conclusion, creating recurring tasks in Asana is a simple yet powerful way to manage your routine tasks effectively. It's essentially set and forget, leaving you to focus on other important jobs. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, Asana is your friend in managing tasks efficiently. Until next time, keep your tasks recurring.